Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering up with purpose. Press and hold the top power button until the screen wakes, then complete the initial Windows setup. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account so settings sync. This is how your licenses and OneDrive carry over. Make sure to plug the 65W USB-C charger for firmware updates and attach the type cover to test keyboard and trackpad. Why do this first? Firmware and account sync prevent later driver conflicts and speed. Next, you'll configure the OS and drivers. Open Windows Update and run it twice to fetch Surface-specific firmware and the Surface app. This resolves touch, pen, and sleep issues. Then set up Windows Hello so you can unlock quickly with face recognition or fingerprint on compatible covers. Once done, tweak power settings balanced for battery life or best performance for heavy tasks, because the right profile balances thermals and fan noise versus peak speed. Finish by installing essential apps and verifying peripherals. Get Office, browser extensions, and any GPU-accelerated software you rely on, and sign into OneDrive to auto-backup documents and desktop. Once everything is installed, calibrate the Surface Pen and touch input so precision matches your workflow. Finally, create a system restore point. If something goes wrong, run the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit to collect logs and fix drivers. If sleep, Wi-Fi, or pen lag persists, reset only drivers before a full reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.